Hello, this video is from NakuLaser. This is a 1550 nanometer 50 milliwatt fiber laser source. It's a PM fiber laser. The output power can be adjusted, and the adjustment accuracy is 0.1 milliwatt. This is a narrow linewidth laser with a spectral bandwidth of less than 3 kilowatts. Customizable software control function, using RS-232 communication serial port. Standard version with button control, control switch, adjust the power size. PM1550 polarization maintaining fiber is installed, and SM single mode fiber can also be customized. This is the test report. This is the Linewidth test. The actual measurement is 0.95 kilowatts. Control the laser with the buttons. Press the middle square button once to enter the setting state. Press it again to confirm the setting value and exit the setting state. The up and down keys are used to adjust the size of the current digit. The left and right keys are used to select the digit to be set. After the setting is completed, turn the key to on, and the laser starts to output. Please go to NakuLaser, find more laser products.